Welcome back to another musket powder cooking hour. Today we'll be making a tomahawk steak. Give us a thumbs up on the video and we'll get started by completely covering the steak in musket powder, black label seasoning. As always with musket powder, if you think you've sprinkled on too much, add a little bit more. Once the steak has been seasoned, transfer to an oven with a temperature probe and cook at 225 degrees Fahrenheit. Leave it in there until the internal temperature has reached 120 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, we will be making our hollandaise sauce. First, we'll need 5 egg yolk. Then we'll melt 1 cup of clarified butter. Heat the clarified butter until roughly 200 degrees Fahrenheit and set aside. Don't worry, you can also find the full list of ingredients and instructions in our recipe section on musketpowder.com. The link will also be in the description. Add egg yolk, lemon, and hot sauce into a bowl and whisk until doubled in size. Start slowly streaming in clarified butter that has been heated. Do this very slowly as the heat from the oil will begin to temper the eggs, and if you add too much at once, you are at risk of cooking the yolks, as well as breaking the emulsification if you go too fast. Once you have added all of the butter, the sauce should be thick and glossy. For this dish, we'll be adding in some fried potatoes. Add salt and musket powder red label seasoning for the potatoes. Mix and plate the potatoes with some hollandaise sauce. After resting for about 30 minutes, and when you're ready to eat, transfer to the oven under the broiler and broil each side until a nice crust has formed. Once the steak has been broiled to perfection, you can remove it from the oven and begin cutting it for your favorite plating design. For this dish, we'll be adding charred cherry tomatoes for the plating. Add on your hollandaise sauce and you've cooked up the perfect tomahawk steak. Thanks for watching and remember to click the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.